3 new Tesla factories coming soon. Let's get started with the newest Tesla news, which includes design updates to the Model S and X, Tesla announcing their next few plans, a new US battery agreement, FSD beta updates, and more. Hey everyone, and welcome to Tesla News, where we bring the newest and best updates about Tesla and Elon Musk. For daily videos, please consider subscribing to our channel. To begin with, one of the most amazing elements about Tesla is how they build cars in North America using their own unique connector, but ship them to other places using CCS. Tesla's own connector is smaller and arguably superior than any other EV connector on the market, but it's proprietary, so other chargers require adapters. You won't be able to charge your Tesla with that custom connector if only CCS is available. The Tesla Supercharger network covers the vast majority of people, but they are incompatible with other charging networks that use CCS solely, like as Electrify America. Even while these stations now feature Tesla plugs, you won't be able to charge at many third-party fast chargers, restricting your trip options. In the first half of 2021, Tesla Korea will formally debut the CCS1 charging adapter, Tesla Korea said in late 2020. The adapter was only accessible in Korea for whatever reason, and it has yet to be seen in North America. Some individuals have acquired and imported a CCS adapter to North America in order to utilize it since it works, although Tesla has yet to sell it here. Recently, an owner using this adapter was photographed charging their Model Y with an EV Go charger at a maximum rate of 205 kilowatts. The fact that it's functioning so well merely demonstrates that it works, and Tesla should offer this adapter many owners would want to considerably broaden charging possibilities, despite the fact that Tesla superchargers are still the best option. Next up, Tesla is finally incorporating a feature into the Model S and X that has been promised since the start of the refresh in January 2021. The screen has, quote, ultra-bright genuine colors, excellent responsiveness, and left-right tilt when Tesla announced the redesigned Model S and X on their website. The screen tilting was not mentioned when the automobile was released in June, which was disappointing because the screen functions were well fixed in the center. Many users have discovered, however, that the Model S and X come with the hardware to tilt the screen, just not the motor. There was no comment other than the rumors that Tesla might add screen tilting via software in the future, but those cars were plainly missing a piece of hardware to make this completely effective. Tesla Frunk showed a video of their Model S to show their third-party powered front trunk, as well as the Tesla factory screen swivel that can go left, right, or center, depending on which you hit on screen. That option has been introduced, and the screen actually comes out a little when it tilts. For some, tilting the screen toward the driver will be beneficial, while for others, it will be beneficial for the passenger to access the screen if they want to utilize specific capabilities. A follow-up video revealed what it looks like from the side over in Taiwan, as well as a Model S on display at the Tesla store sporting this improved screen. It's definitely geared toward the driver here, and it's likely to make its way to Model X at the same time. This adjustment was apparently done as of late April, and it's in true Tesla flair. It's uncertain when this functionality will be introduced into all deliveries. Quote, just got rock-solid confirmation from a Tesla source that the latest Model S and Model X cars made have the long-awaited center screen tilting functionality, or at least the hardware to do so, tweeted Ryan McCaffrey on April 29th. So it appears that manufacture for this feature on both automobiles is complete, and the software is factory installed. YouTube has another sample of a 2022 Plaid with the tilted display. When you see it in action, it actually looks and functions rather well. It gives the screen in the car a more premium feel, but I'm not sure how practical it will be in practice. Certain objects can be easier to touch if the screen is tilted toward the driver. It's nice to see this feature making its way into the Model S, but like so many other Tesla enhancements, I wish it had been introduced from the start. Today's topic is some very important news for Tesla and its factories. Tesla produces cars in large quantities at 2 locations, their Fremont factory and their Shanghai factory, which has become their export hub. Tesla in Texas and Berlin are currently focusing on the Model Y and will scale up production this year, and Shanghai production has already overtaken Fremont output. Tesla may add another factory in Shanghai, according to the speculations. They've had success there, and have been able to open pretty rapidly after closing down last month, so another production there might ramp up fairly quickly. According to a document obtained by Reuters, Tesla Inc. wants to start developing a new factory in Shanghai as soon as next month, as part of a plan to more than double manufacturing capacity in China to meet growing demand for its cars in the country and overseas markets. Local governments were helpful in moving employees to help launch Giga Shanghai, and they also help with Tesla's closed-loop system. According to the letter, the business plans to establish a new plant on adjoining land in the same location with a capacity of 450,000 cars per year, including Model 3s and Model Ys by 2021, making it the world's largest auto export hub. Tesla sold 484,100 automobiles from its Shanghai facility, creating the Model 3 and Y. While no timetables for this expansion have been set, Tesla has already announced ambitions to enhance their current production capacity at Giga Shanghai. As a result, a second factory adjacent to the current one might allow them to produce more than 1 million cars per year in Shanghai, with the cars going to local markets as well as everywhere else where exporting makes sense. Given Tesla's huge success in such a short period of time with their Shanghai facility, it's not entirely shocking, but it's still big news for them since with this expansion, they'll be able to produce more cars in less time. In Shanghai, they'll have a larger factory or 2 different factories, with the remaining 3 factories producing automobiles all around the world. Tesla declared in 2020 that it will have as many supplier products as possible delivered to the Grunheim facility by train, and the business is currently developing extra storage rooms and a freight station for this purpose, according to the German media piece. This indicates that Tesla expects to retain the rest of its land free for future vehicle production expansion, though neither of these plans appear to have been finalized yet. Tesla intends to develop Giga Texas in the same way that it intends to establish a second factory in Shanghai close to Giga Texas. This will allow them to make greater use of the space they've already established, as well as work through government approvals and other issues. Tesla expansion is quite remarkable because the rate at which they expect to move forward with producing electric automobiles is significantly faster than any other brand this year. Tesla's most recent stock split was a 5-to-1 split in August of 2020. Tesla stated at the time that this split will make, quote, stock ownership more accessible to employees and investors. There has been speculation from many sources that Tesla is contemplating a 20-to-1 split, so that's a possibility, but the details aren't finalized and won't be known until the shareholder meeting. Next up today, the U.S. Department of Energy has announced a $3 billion program to support battery manufacturing and supply chain for electric vehicles. This comes from last year's infrastructure bill, which includes $7.5 billion for electric vehicles. Statement placing the United States front and center in fulfilling the growing need for sophisticated batteries is how we increase our comprehensiveness and electrify our transportation infrastructure, according to the U.S. Secretary of Energy. More nickel, lithium graphite, and cobalt mining in the United States has been a recent focus in order to establish a domestic battery supply chain. When Elon Musk was interviewed for TED, he revealed that Tesla was continuing to add people to the FSD beta program, which now has over 100,000 participants. On April 24th, Elon tweeted about the FSD beta, saying, quote, "The upcoming beta version contains numerous enhancements, especially for complex systems." So this was all. Add your thoughts in the comments section below. Also like, subscribe, and share our channel, and stay tuned with us till our next video. We will see you soon with our next video, so be with us and go watch Elon Musk just reveal the insane new $5,000 Tesla car video on your left to see some positive aspects about it as well. Or you can also watch Tesla Model Y 4680 battery will change everything on your right and learn more about the Tesla world. Thank you so much for watching.